Hey everyone, ever imagine like a computer helping your doctor, figure out a diagnosis?
Hmm.
I mean, it might sound kind of sci-fi,
Yeah.
but it's actually getting closer to reality than you think. And so today on our deep dive, we're going to be diving into how something called logistic regression
Right.
is being used to detect breast cancer.
Wow.
So we've got some pretty technical material for this deep dive,
Okay.
using Python code as our main source. But
Mm.
don't worry, we're not going to like bore you with all the,
Uh-uh.
lines of code and stuff like that.
More about the concepts,
Yeah, no,
not becoming
it's yeah,
programmers.
exactly. We're going to break down the ideas in a way that makes sense.
Right.
Especially we were thinking, for you out there listening,
Yeah.
um, you know,
Like, how would this apply?
yeah, like imagine having a second opinion,
Yeah.
but one that's based purely on data.
Hmm.
That's kind of the potential here. So
Wow.
buckle up because we're going to uncover how this machine learns from medical images,
Okay.
how reliable it can be.
Uh-huh.
And we'll even compare it to what doctors use in their practice today.
Yeah, like what's the difference? Think of
Yeah.
it like peeking behind the curtain
Yeah.
to see the technology that's shaping the future of medicine.
Okay, let's start with this whole logistic regression thing.
Right.
Imagine you're a doctor and you're looking at a mammogram
Okay.
and you're trying to figure out if a tumor is cancerous or not.
Yeah.
It's a tough call, right?
Oh, yeah.
Logistic regression can help by analyzing like tons of features in the image
Yeah.
and then calculating the probability, the chance that it's malignant.
So it's like having this superpowered assistant crunching the numbers
Yeah.
and giving you this percentage to make that decision a little less stressful.
So instead of just relying on the image,
Right.
doctors would have like this extra piece of information.
Exactly.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
But how does the machine even learn to do this?
Right.
It's not like it went to med school.
That's where the learning part comes in.
Okay.
It's trained on tons of previous cases, some with cancer and some without,
Ah.
and it learns to spot those subtle patterns that might be tough for the human eye to catch.
So after studying all those examples,
Yeah,
it's kind of like the machine becomes a detective.
that's a great way to put it.
It learns to spot the clues,
Yeah.
but instead of shouting,